Blessings to everyone. Hope you've all had a great day. Welcome to the first day of class where we will be discussing in short what is the stock market. I've decided to do two separate video streams. This one, which will strictly be a classroom feel, where we are continuously learning about the market and discussing different strategies of investing, etc. Feel free to comment questions, and I will do my absolute best to respond and answer. The other will be for those who are ready to step in and get started. There, we will be discussing current stocks, their prices, entry points, and actively investing. But keep in mind, I am not a financial advisor. I can't tell you to buy, hold, or sell. This is solely to educate you, so that you are able to understand the market and make responsible, informed decisions that can lead you to the reality of financial freedom. Today, we're taking a step back, way back in time into the fascinating world of the stock market and how it became the financial powerhouse it is today. The stock market is the major building block of our modern economy, a place where fortunes are made, dreams are realized, and sometimes the unexpected happens as well. But if you've ever wondered how it all began, here we go. Our story starts long before the digital age that we are in now. The idea of the stock market has its roots as early as the 13th century, where merchants would gather to trade debts and bonds, like modern-day debt collection or charge-offs. Fast forward to the 1600s, where the VOC, or more commonly known as the Dutch East India Company, would employ hundreds of ships to go out and sell porcelain, silk, gold, spices, and other sought-after goods. These voyages, however, were costly, so in order to fund these operations, they went to the well-to-do citizens to invest, in return for a percentage of the profits. But, ask me, this guy looks a little sketchy. Now back to our time machine, we're headed to the year 1792. In this year, on May 17th, is when 24 stockbrokers signed what is known as the Buttonwood Agreement, near what is now 68 Wall Street, and is considered the foundation of NYSE, the New York Stock Exchange. This agreement was a response to the financial panic of 1792 and established rules for trading stocks and set commissions, marking the beginning of an official stock exchange for the United States. So, to put it plainly, the stock market is a group of markets where people come to buy and sell stocks. These stocks are simply shares that are sold to help the growth of companies. And basically, as the company grows, so too your investment does as well. So, as trade and commerce began to flourish, so did the need for organized exchanges. From the coffee shops of London to the bustling streets of New York, stock exchanges began to form, shaping the future of global finance. This takes our time machine to 1971, which was the introduction to the NASDAQ, which is the little brother to the New York Stock Exchange. But by no means is it little. The NASDAQ encompasses more than 2,500 stocks and is heavily weighted in the technology industry. Most of the largest tech stocks in the world, to be frank, such as Apple, Nvidia, Microsoft, Amazon, Google, Meta, Adobe, and many more. So with the advent of new technologies, the stock market evolved. The introduction of electronic trading revolutionized the way we buy and sell stocks, making the market more accessible than ever before. Today, the stock market is a measure of economic health, a testament to human ingenuity, and a place where anyone with an idea and the drive can participate in the great game of capitalism. Thank you for joining me on this journey through the history of the stock market. If you've enjoyed this ride, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you for our next adventure.